Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure that you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent ESD damage. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any screws or components during the process. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 920 and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 12 Phillips screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around the edges. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the center. Before proceeding, it's essential to disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Use your fingers or the spudger to carefully lift the connector straight up, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding components. Next, you will need to remove the battery itself. The battery is usually held in place by several screws. Using your Phillips number 00 screwdriver, unscrew these fasteners and set them aside. If you encounter any adhesive that holds the battery in place, gently pry it loose with the spudger. With the screws and adhesive removed, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align the new battery in the same position as the old one and press it down gently. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the battery in place. Connect the battery connector back to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly seated. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the inside using a can of compressed air. This helps maintain optimal performance and cooling. Once everything is clean, you can replace the back cover. Align it properly, press down along the edges, and then fasten it with the 12 screws. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 920 and check if the new battery is recognized. If you encounter any issues or if you prefer not to perform this task yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our pickup and delivery service at your home ensures that you don't have to worry about transportation, no calls, no travel involved. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair is initiated. This completes the battery replacement process. You have now successfully changed the battery on your Lenovo Yoga 920. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to professional services for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.